A must try, very healthy, simple, and quick broccoli soup recipe. Hello everyone, welcome to Full House Kitchen. This is a very quick and simple recipe. To make this soup, here I've added 1 tablespoon of olive oil and little bit of butter, which is completely optional. Once it's heated, we are going to add 1 medium sized onion finely chopped and 1 clove of garlic finely chopped. We'll saute this onion and garlic for around 1 to 2 minutes until it's translucent. Onion looks good, and now it's time to add our vegetables. For vegetables, here I have taken potato, broccoli and peas, almost in equal quantity. So here I got 1 medium size of potato, peeled and cut it into small pieces, 2 to 3 broccoli florets, cut it into small pieces, and almost equal quantity of peas, which you can increase or decrease. And we are now going to combine this well and allow it to cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. I have added frozen peas, but if you have fresh peas available, that will taste even better. And for many more soup and easy recipes, please follow our channel and subscribe to our channel, and do like this recipe if you like it. Vegetables are looking good. I have cooked for 2 minutes, and now I am adding very little salt, around less than a quarter teaspoon. And I am also going to add around half a liter of water. I have taken warm water, which helps the soup to cook fast, and 1 cube of vegetable stock. If you want to add chicken stock, you can add chicken stock as well, which will add an extra flavor. But because we are making vegetable soup, I prefer to add vegetable stock. And we are going to allow this soup to boil on a medium flame for around 10 minutes. So you can cover the soup and let it simmer on the medium flame for around 10 minutes. While our soup is cooking, I'm just toasting some bread, which I have it available at home with butter, and it will be lovely to have the toasted bread with the soup. But you can have any sort of bread with the soup. And we just need to make sure that our vegetables have cooked nicely. And it's been almost 10 minutes and our potato and broccoli looks well cooked. So now we are going to switch off and blend this soup. If you are using a blender, just allow the soup to cool down a little bit, like 3 to 4 minutes before you blend it. Or you can use hand blender. Here I'm using hand blender. So I'll switch off the soup, use my hand blender and blend the soup nicely. And again reheat it, and I'll add some more things into it. Our soup looks good. It's nicely blended. I just love the color of it. It's so pleasing to the eye. At the same time, it's so healthy. So now we'll start reheating the soup again and add salt and pepper according to the taste. And I would like to mention that the quantity we have prepared with 1 medium size of potato and 2 to 3 florets and half a liter of water. This is good enough for 2 to 3 people. So at this moment, we just add salt and pepper according to your taste. And I am here adding a little bit of cream, which is like 1 teaspoon, which is completely optional. You can totally avoid it. And this cream just gives a nice creamy texture to the soup, but it can be avoided completely. And now our soup is ready to serve, and we just need to heat it nicely. And look at the consistency. It's also turned out perfect. So I hope you like this recipe. Just serve it with your favorite bread or whatever you would like to have it with, like croutons, and just add salt and pepper. If you want, I can add a little bit of butter, and your soup is nicely satisfying. Hope you like this recipe. Please do like it if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.